Matches the specs perfectly.
Look at the weld quality right here. It's inconsistent.
I agree. We need to recalibrate the feed rate immediately. All right, these 40 sheets are cleared for processing. Move them over there.
Confirmed. I've logged the transfer on the tablet.
This beam here needs reinforcement before we proceed.
I agree. The structural integrity is compromised at this joint.
We need to adjust the angle slightly on this side. What's the reading?
It's coming into tolerance, steady now at 0.05 degrees. We are aligned.
Looks good. We are level. Initialize the welding sequence.
Easy now. Hold the tension.
Mark is clear on this side.
Looks good. Keep it coming up.
Look at the curve.
Schematic.
They look good. The robots are maintaining tolerance.
Pulling up the schematic now. It seems within tolerance.
Look at the schematics for section 3.
On this section, the tolerances are incredible.
It truly is a masterpiece of engineering.
According to the plans, this section should be reinforced.
But the structural integrity looks compromised right here.
We need to run a diagnostic before proceeding.
Check the weld points here on the...
Specs were updated yesterday, and we need to apply the new settings immediately. Look at the reflection distortion right here on the Model 101 frame. The weld temperature was too high.
Copy that. I'll recalibrate the robotic welder settings based on the data logs from the tablet now.
We need to check the tolerances on the new intake valve assembly.
Pulling up the diagrams now. It should be right around this section here.
This housing unit seems slightly misaligned.
Yes, we should recalibrate the mounting torque.
Hold the light steady right there. Okay, got it. Now guide this connector through.
Power coupling secure. How are the auxiliary systems initializing?
Stabilization sequence shows green across the board.
Wiring harness secure on the intake.
Confirmed. All high-pressure lines torqued to spec. Finalizing the system check.
Placement confirmed on intake valve 5.
Noted. The clearance on the headers seems optimal.
Luxury comes alive. Witness the interiors of the ultimate Mega Lamborghini 101 model yacht.
The recessed lighting highlights the ceiling's curvature beautifully.
It does. We must ensure the console lighting matches that warmth.
Check the voltage on the main connection point. Once that's done, secure the cables immediately.
We need to shift it slightly to the left. Okay, tell me when. That aligns perfectly with the schematic now.
The blueprints indicate the sofa needs to shift slightly left.
Agreed. The side table should align precisely with the armrest seam.
customization. The marble inlay and the chrome controls are absolutely perfect. Yeah.
And look at yours. The system allows for dynamic color changes, shifting instantly across the spectrum.
The integration is flawless.
Finally, witness the full big Lamborghini 101 Mega Yacht in all its black luxury glory, with every detail perfected.
I'm detecting a slight irregularity in the composite here.
The scans confirm it. We need to escalate this for immediate review.
The reflectivity on panel 4 is immaculate.
Agreed. The clear coat application looks perfect.
Look at how she handles the waves. The aerodynamics are perfect. We truly outdid ourselves with this model.
As you can see, the stability at this speed is unmatched.